Hi friends, today we are going to discuss organometallic compounds. An organometallic compound contains one or more metal to carbon bonds. The best example for organometallic compound is methyl magnesium chloride, methyl magnesium chloride. This is also called Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Now, carbon has electronegativity of 2.5. Carbon has electronegativity of 2.5. The most of the metals have electronegativities less than 2.0. Therefore, organometallic compounds have dipole, where the carbon is negative charge. Now, listen friends, organometallic compounds containing carbon to metal bonds. The electronegativity of carbon is 2.5. Most of the metals have electronegativities of less than 2.0. Therefore, carbon has negatively charged delta minus. Most of the metals has positively charged delta positive. This means that organometallic compounds tend to act as a carbon-based nucleophiles as well as bases. Next, we are going to see nomenclature of organometallic compounds. The Greek prefix eta is commonly used. The eta is accompanied by superscript number. Example, eta superscript to 5 and eta superscript to 3. Eta superscript to 5 indicates 5 carbon atoms in a organometallic compound directly interact with a metal. Therefore, this is eta 5. Now, eta 3, same as 3 carbon atoms in a organometallic compound directly interact with metal atom. Therefore, prefix describes the number of atoms in a ligand which directly interact with the metal center. This is called hapticity of the ligand. Next, hapticity of a ligand. Hapticity of a ligand is the number of atoms that are directly bonded to the metal center. Next, I am going to tell you example for the hapticity of a ligand. I am going to take cyclopentadienyl organometallic compounds. Example 1, cyclopentadienyl organometallic compound. In this compound, this carbon is directly bonded with the metal atom. Only one carbon is directly interact with the metal atom. Therefore, hapticity eta superscript to 1. The name of the compound is eta 1 cyclopentadienyl. The example 2 is this cyclopentadienyl organometallic compound. 3 carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms are directly interact with the metal atom. Therefore, hapticity of this ligand is 3 because 3 carbon atoms are directly bonded to the metal atom. Eta 3, the name of the compound is cyclopentadienyl. Example 3 is in this compound, all the 5 carbons are directly interact with the metal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are directly bonded with the metal atom. Therefore, hapticity eta 5 cyclopentadienyl. Finally, the name of this organometallic compound is, listen, hapticity eta superscript 1. Therefore, the name is monohaptocyclopentadienyl. Second one, eta superscript 3. Therefore, trihaptocyclopentadienyl. Same as eta superscript 5. Therefore, the name of this compound is pentahaptocyclopentadienyl.